In this tutorial, I will show you how you can assert text using Selenium and TestNG, such as this. You can see actual and expected text. You can see pass over here. Okay, so how we can do this is first you need to have Selenium and TestNG installed. So after you have those installed, then you'll import all these classes. So the one to focus on is Assert class for TestNG. Then your main code and our main class, we have the add before method. So in our add before method, we will create the driver, and then we will navigate to this website called source demo. Okay, and in our add test section, we will type driver find element by username, password, and login. Then we will send keys, standard user for username, secret source for password, and then we will click the login button. Then we will locate and validate the text. So we want to find element by the class name title. So we want to get the actual text with title.getText. And we also set our expected text to be products. So what we're doing here is we want to assert that the title text equals to products. So we do this by using the assert class dot assert equals actual text and compare with expected text. And this third parameter, this third argument is saying what string to output if the text did not match. Okay, so this is just printing out the actual and printing out the expected, just to check and just to see that what we want to what they are like for the actual and expected. And for add after method, we have just tear down, so we want to do a driver.quit. Okay, so this is what will happen. This is a summary, so you can see one pass here, and in the console you see the actual and expected products and total test run 1 passes 1. That's all.